Hello friends, welcome back to Cat Quiz, where we're about to embark on a flavor-packed journey, unlike any others today. We're stirring up some culinary excitement with Pick 1, Kick 2, desserts, and sweets edition. That subscribe button, and let's jump right. Pick 1, Kick 2, cherry pie, sundae, or cream brulee. Frozen yogurt, chocolate fondue, or apple crisp. Brownie, s'mores, or strawberry shortcake. Chocolate chip cookies, Jell-O, or Neapolitan ice cream. Flavored yogurt cups, lava cake, or cinnamon rolls. Red velvet cake, butterscotch pudding, or cotton candy. Glazed donuts, churros, or pumpkin pie. Rice Krispies, chocolate mousse, cheesecake. Chocolate peanut butter bars, eclairs, or flan. Rocky Road, macarons, or fortune cookies. Fruit kebabs, vanilla pudding, or Nutella crepe. Pecan pie, banana bread, or chocolate-covered strawberries. Pick 1, Kick 2. Tiramisu, apple pie, or watermelon. Chocolate-covered pretzels, funnel cake, or popsicles. Cupcakes, baklava, or Loman bars. Custard tarts, caramelized apple, or mint chocolate chip ice cream. Oreo donuts, banana split, or chocolate croissant. coffee, tea, or matcha latte? Birthday cake, soft ice cream, or fudge? Chocolate-covered bananas, apple strudel, or key lime pie? Homemade fruit popsicles, freak shakes, or Snicker-Doodie cookies? Chocolate pudding, pancakes, or Oreo cookies? Slushy, baked Alaska, or blueberry cobbler? Cannoli, caramel-flavored popcorn, or ice cream bars? French toast, Oreo cheesecake, or mochi? Oatmeal raisin cookies, cake pops, or banana pudding? Chocolate-covered marshmallows, whoopie pia, or fruit salad? Bread pudding, waffles, or banana pancakes? Mug cake, meringue, or chocolate pistachio dome? Bubble tea, milkshake, or smoothie? Rainbow cake, M&M cookies, or sesame balls? Chocolate cake, fruit parfaits, or peach cobbler? Angel food cake, peanut butter cookies, or drumstick ice cream? Pick one kick to unicorn ice cream, fruit tart, or gelato. Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.